Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learn Up another new AI video. In today's video, I will show you a free all-in-one AI tool. Yes, today we are going to introduce a website where you will get image generator, face swap, background changer, realistic talking avatar, talking photo, video translator, all these tools in one website. So, without waste any more time, let's get started. First, open a browser and search by typing Akool. You will find the website first. Its link will be given in the description box. After coming to akool.com, first you need to create a free account. To create an account, click the Get Started button. Click Login and create account. Now you can create an account with your Google and email. This is Akool's dashboard. Akool also provides 6 AI tools. First is image generator, face swap, background change, realistic avatar, talking photo, and video translator. I will show the usage of all the tools one by one, so let's watch the video till the end. First, let's check the image generator. With it you can create text to images and image to image. If you are creating image to image, then you must select the image to image option. I am showing text to image creation. This is the prompt box to create text to image. Here you have to enter the prompt, based on which the image will be created. Describe here what kind of image you want to create. I have already written a prompt, so I am applying that. Once you have written your prompt, click the Generate button. Now scroll down a bit and you will see it is processing. It will take 20 to 30 seconds to complete. Okay, I'm skipping it. And here is the result. Wow, it looks very pretty. Akool AI generates 4 images every time. 1 credit will be deducted from your account for each image. Meaning every time 4 images are created, 4 credits will be deducted from your balance. To download any image from here, first you need to click on the Get 4K button. It will take some time to complete its processing. Okay, after its processing is done, click on the download icon, it will be saved on your device. And see its final result. Okay, now let's move to the second tool, face swap. Of all the tools on akool.com, my favorite tool is face swap. Because it provides very great results. Not only that, it allows you to swap images as well as video faces. Without further ado, let's see its performance. Click this tool to face swap any photo or video. Now, click here to upload media, or you can drag and drop here. Now upload your own photo or targeted faces. After that, select this and hit the swap button. Now it is processing. Click the result button and see. It will take 30 to 60 seconds to complete the processing. Okay, our face swap processing is done. To save it to your device, click the download button and it will be saved to your device. And finally, see the result. Let's check a video now. First, upload the video to do the video face swap. Now upload your targeted face or select from here. If you have multiple people in your video, you can select different faces here. Since there is one in my video, I'm selecting the same face. If you want, you can turn on this face enhance button. Okay, once everything is done, click the swap button. Go to the result and wait for some time. Here is the final result.
Welcome to Akool. Create engaging videos for marketing, e-learning, or training audience in minutes.
Okay, now let's move to the next tool. Our next tool is background changer. You can change the background of any photo with this tool. First, upload an image to test it. It will automatically remove the background of your photo. Now select any background of your choice, or you can upload any background from your device. Okay, once done, click the Generate button. go to the result and click the download button to save it to your device. See the result. Our next tool is a realistic AI talking avatar. Okay, let's click on it. Click the Try Now button. To create an AI talking avatar, first select an avatar from here. Now you can add any element to your video from here. You can add text as you wish. You can upload any image or video file from your device here to be applied to the video. Or you can also create images from Akool AI image generator. Okay, now onto the script. Here you have to write the script to make your avatar talk. You can also upload audio files from your device. Now select gender. Select the language. Now select a voice from here.
Hi, my name is Kimberly.
You can adjust voice speed from here. Okay, once everything is done, then click the Generate button. Oops, I have exhausted my credit. If you create an account for the first time with a new Gmail, you will get 50 credits. After these credits are exhausted, you have to buy their premium plan. Or you will get 50 more credits by logging in with a new Gmail account. Okay, I logged in with another Gmail and made this video. Let's see how the video turned out.
After living in a house for a long time, everyone will discard the old furniture, home decoration, lighting, fabric decoration, green plants, etc. and replace them with new ones.
Talking photo. With this tool you can make any picture speak. You can upload your own photos and convert them into talking videos. Let's see how to make a picture talk. First click this talking photo tool. Now upload a photo from your device. To make the image speak, enter the script here. Now select a gender. Select your language. And select a voice according to your choice. Now adjust the speaking speed. Well, when everything is done, click the Generate button to create the talking photo. Now wait until it is generated. And see the final result.
Welcome to Akool. Create engaging videos for marketing, e-learning or training audience in minutes.
Our last tool is Video Translator. With this tool you can translate any video to other languages. Let's test it. First click to open this tool. Now upload a video from your device. Select the language you want to translate to. And finally hit the Translate button to render the video. Now wait for rendering. And see the final result.
Akool में आपका स्वागत है. विपणन के लिए आकर्षक वीडियो बनाएं. मिनटों में.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Don't forget to give your opinion about this all-in-one AI website. For any theory related to AI or any kind of help you can contact my Facebook page or Instagram. I will try to help as much as possible. Okay, see you in the next video. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, bye.